In this video, we're going to be reading pictographs. Let's start off with the first problem. Paul was recording how many slam dunks his favorite team scored. He organized the information in the pictograph below. These are the favorite teams of Paul. Okay, so you have Rockets, Grizzlies, Celtics, Bulls, Pistons, Hawks, and Warriors. These are the number of dunks that was made by each team. Okay, and this each basketball represents 5 slam dunks. Okay, so one basketball is equals to 5 slam dunks. So for example, Rockets have 5 basketballs. Okay, which means that each basketball is worth 5 slam dunks. Right? So if you have 5 plus 5, which is 10, then 10 plus 5, which is 15, then 15 plus 5, that is 20, 20 plus 5, that is 25 slam dunks was made by Rockets. Okay? So let's answer the first question. The first question states, which team had the largest number of slam dunks? So that means that more basketball there are in the team, okay? That means that there are the higher the number of slam dunks, okay? So the more number of basketball that is present in this pictograph, that means the higher the number of slam dunks, okay? So if you look at Pistons, okay? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 basketballs. Okay? So that means that there are okay, so each basketball is worth 5 slam dunks, right? So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25, 25 plus 5 is 30, 30 plus 5 is 35, 35 plus 5 is 40, and 40 plus 5 is 45, and 45 plus 5 is 50. Okay? Or what you can do is that you can count all the basketballs up, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then times it by 5 slam dunks, and you will still get the same amount, which is 50 slam dunks that's made by the team Pistons. Okay, so therefore Pistons would have the highest slam dunks because there are more basketball present in the pictograph that is given. Okay, so the answer for this question 1 is Pistons. Okay, so the Pistons would have the largest number of slam dunks. Okay, alright, so let's see. So let's write down the answer here. Okay, so the answer, first question to the answer is piston. Okay, Pistons. Okay, let's look at the second question. Okay, the second question states, which team had the fewest number of slam dunks? Okay, which team had the fewest number of slam dunks? So you have to look at the team that has the fewest basketball that's present in the pictograph. Okay, so if you look down, 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 it looks like Hawks have the fewest number of basketball, and that means it makes the fewest number of slam dunks compared to the other teams. Okay, so the answer for this second question would be Hawks. Okay, Hawks. Now let's look at the third question. The third question states, which team had more slam dunks, Rockets or Hawks? So now you're comparing 2 teams here. Okay, the first one is the Rockets, and the second team would be Hawks. Okay, so identify where Rockets is. So Rockets right here, and identify where hawks are. Hawks are right here. Okay. So if you look at rockets, okay, even earlier, we found that rocket had 25 slam dunks, right? So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. And 20 plus 5 is 25, right? So there are 25 slam dunks that was made by rockets, okay? But however, hawks, there's only one ball, right? One basketball, which is equals to 5 slam dunks. So which means this is just 5, okay? So there are only 5. They only made 5 slam dunks, okay? They only made 5 slam dunks, okay? And the Rockets made 25 slam dunks. Does that make sense? Okay, perfect. So the answer to this third question, okay, is which team had more slam dunks? It would be the team Rockets. Okay, the team Rockets. Okay, let's look at the fourth question. Okay, the fourth question states, how many slam dunks did the Bulls make? Okay, how many slam dunks did the Bulls make? So let's identify where Bulls are. This is where they are. Okay, and then let's count how many basketballs there are. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? 9 basketball is present in for Bulls in the pictograph. Okay, so remember each ball represents 5. So all you just have to do is 5 times, so 5 slam dunks times the number of balls, and we counted that there are 9 basketballs, okay, for Bulls. So that would equal to 45 slam dunks, okay, 45 slam dunks made by the team Bulls, okay. So the answer to the fourth question would be 45, okay, 45 slam dunks, okay, slam dunks, slam dunks. Finally, the fifth question states, how many slam dunks did the Warriors make? Okay, so let's identify where Warriors are on the pictograph. Okay, this is where they are at the bottom, and let's count up how many basketballs is present in the pictograph. Okay, so the basketball represent the slam dunks, and one basketball is equals to, right, 5 slam dunks. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, each basketball represents 5 slam dunks. So all you just have to do is 5 slam dunks multiplied by the 6 basketballs. So 5 times 6 is equals to 30 30 slam dunks. Okay, 30 slam dunks. Okay, so 30 slam dunks were made by the Warriors. Okay, so the answer would be 30. Okay. Let's look at another problem here. Okay, so Mr. Sanders' class was performing an experiment to see which day of the week had the most rain. His class recorded their information in the pictograph below. Okay, so it looks like right here the picture shown is a just raindrops. Okay, raindrops. All right, and each raindrop is equals to 7 millimeters of rain. Okay, and Mr. Sanders was recording the day of the week, right? So on this side is the days of the week. Okay, so you start from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so let's look at Sunday. So we know that each raindrop is equal to 7 millimeters of rain. Okay, so that means that if there are 1, 2, and 3, and 4 raindrops, all you just have to do is 4 times, okay, so 4 raindrops times 7 millimeters of rain. So 4 times 7, okay, and that would give us 28 millimeters of rain was recorded on Sunday. Okay, was recorded on Sunday. Okay. Now let's answer this question below here. So the question 6 states that which day had the most rain. Okay, so which day had the most rain? Okay, so let's look at this here. Just zoom this out. Pen. Okay. So let me repeat this question again. Which day had the most rain? Okay. So again, just like our previous question, you just have to look at the most raindrops that was made in the day of the week. Okay. So if you look at Tuesday, okay, Tuesday has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 raindrops, okay, 10 raindrops, okay, would be the highest compared to all the other dates that was recorded on the pictograph. Okay, so that means that if you just do 10 raindrops, okay, times that by 7, that would be 70 millimeters of rain. Okay, so the more raindrops are there, the more millimeters of rain will be accumulated. Okay, so which day had the most rain? Well, it looks like Tuesday. Okay, because it has more raindrops present, or you can just say recorded in the pictograph. Okay, so the answer would be Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. Now let's look at the 7th question. Which day had the least rain? So again, on the pictograph, just find the one with the least raindrop, and it looks like it's Friday. Okay, it's Friday. Okay, so we know that each raindrop is equal to 7 millimeters of rain. So it looks like Friday only made out to be 7 millimeters of rain. Okay, so which day had the least rain? It would be Friday. Friday. Okay. Now let's look at question number 8. Did it rain more on Saturday or Tuesday? Okay, so did it rain more on Saturday or Tuesday? Okay, so on Saturday we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 raindrops. So all you just have to do is 7 raindrops times that by 7 millimeters of rain, which we will get 49 millimeters. Okay, millimeters. This is just a short form of millimeters. Okay, millimeters of rain. Okay, of rain. But what about Tuesday? Okay, what about Tuesday? Well, Tuesday we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 raindrops. So all you just have to do is 10 raindrops times it by 7 millimeters of rain, right? So 10 times 7, that just gives us 70 millimeters of rain. Okay, of rain. Well, it looks like 70 millimeters is much higher than 49 millimeters, so therefore Tuesday rained more than Saturday. Okay, so the answer would be Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. Okay, let's look at question number 9. How much rain was there on Sunday? How much rain was there on Sunday? So let's look at Sunday. Well, let's count the raindrops here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 raindrops was made, recorded on Sunday. So each raindrop is equals to 7 millimeters of rain. Okay, so all you just have to do is 4 raindrops times that by 7 millimeters of rain, which you will get 28 millimeters, okay, of rain. So the answer would be 28 millimeters, okay, millimeters of rain. Whoops, let me change that here. Okay. 20 millimeters of rain. Okay. Alright, finally, let's look at our last question. So the last question states, how much rain was there on Monday? Okay, so how much rain was there on Monday? So let's identify Monday on the pictograph. So Monday is located right here. Okay, so on Monday there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 raindrops, and each raindrops again is equals to 7 millimeters of rain. Okay, so there are 6 raindrops on Monday, so all you just have to do is 6 raindrops times that by 7 millimeters of rain, or you can just say 6 times 7, which was 42 millimeters of rain. Okay, so the answer would be 42 millimeters of rain.